Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys system navigation setting. And today video title is guys how to turn on gesture navigation in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use Infinix mobile gesture settings and you want to remove button navigation setting. So friends, how to remove button navigation and how to turn on gesture settings one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video, then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone system setting. After on system setting, friends, you can use language setting, date and time setting, and you can on backup setting. Friends, click here system navigation, and friends you can use cache settings, and you want to use 3 button navigation, you can on 3 button navigation. So friends we will click cache settings, and friends cache settings will on, and now you can use cache settings in Infinix mobile. And friends you don't know how to use cache settings, friends click here cache tutorial setting, and you can check guys how to back left side and right side. Friends you can use back button, left side right side, if you swipe you can use back button. And friends you can check, if you pause here you can go to your home screen, and by hold here and you can check recent app, and you can open recent app and you can close. And if you swipe here you can go to your home screen page, and if you swipe here friends right side back, and friends you can see again friends if you swipe here so you can on voice assistant right side and left side. If you swipe here so you can on voice assistant setting. Now friends you can use cache settings easily. Right side swipe back button, left side swipe back button. You want to go to your home screen page, swipe here you can go to your home screen page. You want to close recent app, you want to on recent app, hold here you can check and you can remove recent app. Like that friends we can use cache settings. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.